Well, good morning. We got a couple of kitchen sinks we got to do today. We're starting off in Berlin, New Hampshire. We're going to assist a local plumber put the sink in. So we'll plug that one. And then from Berlin, we're going to move you on down to Jackson, New Hampshire, down to the Snowflake Inn and take care of the excessively long kitchen sink drain that's over there. So let's knock out some drains.
Boom. We keep New Hampshire flowing. New Hampshire flowing, one drain at a time. Righty, we're heading down to our second kitchen sink clog of the day. We're down in beautiful Jackson, New Hampshire on this lovely day. Let's go knock out another drain and let's keep New Hampshire flowing. Good restaurant. And here we are at the Snowflake Inn, and this is where we're going to go attack our second kitchen sink clog of the day. Let's go see Sue. Ridiculously long kitchen sink. That ductwork. Along that wall makes a turn around that beam here, runs through that wall, and then ties in this mechanical room all the way down into here. So I have a kitchen sink line which runs probably close to 100 feet. So we're going to flex shaft this one open and we'll get them flowing again. At the midway point, we're at right there. Got some grease buildup inside there. So we're going to send the flex shaft down in all the directions here, and we'll get this guy cleaned up nice.